going to be checking for what the person in your mind is thinking about you. And this is going to be a general reading. So let's go. If the message resonates with you, then great, this is for you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, then you can just take what resonates. Even 4,006, 4,006, 4,006. So it's feeling. There's a new beginning coming for you. Somebody in your mind has been confused amongst a lot of options. What is it? Okay, so this message is being I channeled for someone who has been blocked probably by their partner or the person they're interested in. ये मैसेज उनके लिए है जिन्हें उनको ब्लॉक करा गया है या दे हैव बीन इन अ नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन विद देयर पार्टनर. तो आई वाज डाउन, आई वाज चैनलिंग सम मैसेजेस और मुझको एक वो आया कि आई शुड शेयर इट विद यू कि उनके थिंकिंग थॉट प्रोसेस में अभी राइट नाउ क्या चल रहा है आपके लिए. तो जो मैं देख सकती हूँ कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विद द 6 ऑफ swords व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट यू करंटली, जिन्होंने आपको ब्लॉक करा है या जिनके साथ आपका कनेक्शन अभी फ़िलहाल राइट नाउ नहीं हो, टेक व्हाट रेजोनेट्स विद यू एंड जस्ट लीव व्हाट इज़ नॉट रेजोनेटिंग. Basically they see you as someone who might be going through a transitioning. They are seeing you as someone who's transitioning or moving towards a better phase in life. They think you are working on leaving behind challenges and embracing personal growth. In their mind, you appear to be a person striving for peace and clarity, perhaps distancing yourself from past difficulties. Like you can see in this card, that say look move kar rahe towards something peaceful. So they think that you are doing well in life and you are moving towards personal growth. And in their mind, you appear to be a person basically striving for peace and clarity. Okay, and yeah, so this is what they're thinking about you. And what else? So they respect this journey but also perceives the need for balance and resolution in your approach. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ व्हाट दे थिंक अबाउट यू. जिनके साथ आपका कनेक्शन अभी राइट नाउ नहीं है, तो उनको लगता है कि आप अपने लाइफ में अच्छा कर रहे हैं, आप वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स योर पर्सनल ग्रोथ, आपका लाइफ ग्रो कर रहा है और आप बेटर प्लेस में जा रहे हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ में पीस एंड बैलेंस एंड ऑल. तो दिस इज़ हाउ दे थिंकिंग ऑफ यू. अब जिनके साथ आपका कनेक्शन नहीं है, जिनमें आप इंटरेस्टेड हो, यू इंटरेस्टेड इन समवन जिनके साथ आपका कनेक्शन अभी राइट नाउ नो कनेक्शन में हो या नो कॉन्टैक्ट में हो, आई टेल यू व्हाट दे आर फीलिंग अबाउट यू. ओके, सो दिस मैसेज इज बेसिकली गोइंग टू बी रेजोनेटिंग विद दोज पीपल जिसके बारे में जिन पे आप इंटरेस्टेड हो और उनके साथ आपका बात नहीं हो पा रहा है बेसिकली, या आप उनके साथ अभी कनेक्शन में नहीं हो, इन अ नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ नॉट फॉर द पीपल हु आर टुगेदर एंड दे आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप. नो, ये उनके लिए जिनके साथ आपका कनेक्शन काफ़ी टाइम से बन नहीं रहा है और मतलब आप इंटरेस्टेड हो पर उन्होंने सपोज आपको ब्लॉक करा हुआ है एक अच्छा कनेक्शन होने के बावजूद. So the card that has appealed to me is the Sun. So what they are feeling about you right now is the feeling for you is quite positive at this point of time, quite vibrant and positive, and you bring warmth and joy in their life. तो हो सकता है right now you are not in touch with them and you're not talking to them, but you're feeling, just thinking about you, they get a sense of calm and a feeling of joy. ठीक है, so they see you as your presence as very optimistic between you, like so they have a genuine affection. ठीक है, that is definitely there for you. But now I will tell you कि overall जो है इस connection में क्या चल रहा है. तो overall connection में जो चल रहा है, it's given with the 7 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles and 9 of Wands. ये आपका पहला 7 of Cups and sorry, not 3 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles and 9 of Cups, sorry 9 of Wands. तो ओवरऑल जो कनेक्शन में देखा जा रहा है, इट इज़ बेसिकली वो थोड़े ओवरवेल्म्ड है, उनके पास काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शंस है, पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है, और वो उनके माइंड में कई सारी चीज़ें चल रही है. सो दे थिंकिंग लाइक things would have been different if you both were together. So it's basically they're overwhelmed by the choices or possibilities when it comes to you. So many things could have happened with you, different scenarios about your relationship they're thinking. Whenever this card comes, it shows like possibility, choices, options to be considered. डिफरेंट, मतलब काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें चलती हैं उनके माइंड में. तो वो सोच रहे हैं कि आपके साथ रिलेशनशिप अगर होता तो क्या क्या हो सकता था, and there could be so many different possibilities too. And the 9 of Wands is also showing that they are very cautious. So they have been through a lot of emotional challenges and slightly guarded right now. तो वो अभी किसी के साथ एक डीप कनेक्शन में जाना नहीं चाहते, क्योंकि वो खुद को गार्ड कर रहे हैं, अपने इमोशंस को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं, and they're trying to not let down those guards. Because see, if you have to get into an emotional relationship with somebody, you should be willing to, you know, just be yourself and be right there with them, right? You don't want to hold on to your feelings and be with someone, because then you will not be exactly honestly with them. So that is there. So there is a sense of self-control, inner resilience in them. And I see you as someone very calm and composed, capable of overcoming obstacles. Meanwhile, the 9 of Pentacles shows that they value your independence and maybe balancing their feelings for you. So in this situation, the best thing that I would advise you to do, if you're in a no contact situation and if you are really wanting to know that ऐसे में आपको क्या करना चाहिए, then definitely first of all you need to have patience, because things work in divine timing before the right time. You know, you can't force things to happen, and that gives you also a good amount of time to focus on yourself. Because I see with the with this five of cups card, it is basically showing that this person needs to, you know, heal a lot of their relationships, lot of things in their relationships, तभी वो जाके किसी के साथ रिलेशनशिप में आ पाएंगे. उनके अंदर ही बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं दैट दे हैव टू, यू नो, समहाउ सॉर्ट. तो जब तक वो सॉर्ट नहीं होगा, वो एक रिलेशनशिप में एंटर करेंगे भी तो उसमें वो खुश नहीं हो पाएंगे, राइट? बिकॉज to get into a relationship you need to have that mindset. So they are not in that mindset right now. Okay, because past में कुछ चीज़ें they have not worked according to them, have given them pain, so they are still stuck on those things. So let them grieve for some time, let them let it go, and once they are, you know, in a better off place after taking enough rest, they will be able to open up again. But till then you have to have the patience. It is asking for a lot of patience right now with the Temperance card. तो आप अपने अपने लाइफ पे फोकस करें, अपने वेलबींग पे फोकस करें, एंड फोकस ऑन योर ओन ग्रोथ, own self independence. Because when you are an independent person, when you are a person who knows how to be happy with your own self, तो ऐसे में किसी और पार्टनर को भी अच्छा लगेगा आपके साथ अपना भी टाइम स्पेंड करना, बिकॉज यू विल हैव समथिंग टू गिव देम ऑल्सो, बिकॉज योर कप इज़ फुल. तो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. This is a message I got for somebody who is in a no contact situation, and when can you um, expect communication from them is between 1 or 2 months. Actually speaking, by the end of December. So till then, take the winter time for yourself, for just focusing on your own self growth and making yourself resilient, strong, and focusing on other aspects of your life right now. Because see, if it has to happen, it will definitely happen, right? But if you push it too much and if you get stressed, then your vibration will go bad, and that will eventually delay the process. So just focus on yourself for the moment, and they will come back to you, because it's a game of destiny and there's wheel of fortune for you. So in such a situation, what is meant to be yours will definitely be yours. Okay, so if you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel. And this is a new channel, so I will be very, very, very grateful and appreciative of the fact that you show your support, and I'll try to bring more authentic content for you. Thank you. Bye. Sending you lots of love and light.